Hello again, Higher Maths, Trigonometric Expressions, Lesson 5b, Trigonometric Identities. We're looking at another proof. This time, prove that cos of a minus b all over cos a cos b equals 1 plus tan a tan b. So looking at that, second time you've ever seen a higher trigonometric identity, you may well be thinking, what on earth am I meant to do there? So as I said in the previous video, it's not a case of what am I meant to do, it's a case of what can I do. So we always start with the left-hand side of the equation. So we've got cos of bracket a minus b over cos a cos b. Now what can I do with that? Well, we can't multiply cos a by cos b and get anything different. It's just cos a cos b. But we can do something with this. What can we do? We can expand it using the addition formula. So that would be cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is the only thing we can really do with that just now. Okay, so we've expanded that. And then we're looking, we're thinking, I still don't have a tan. Where on earth's the 1 coming from? Not really sure what's going on. But we've done one thing, and we've got down to this line. So now I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, well, I've got something plus something as a fraction. I don't have two terms and a fraction in the answer, so what I can do is I can split this up into two separate fractions. So cos a cos b over cos a cos b. So I'm thinking, well, hang on, they're the same. Anything divided by itself is 1. And I've got 1 in the answer, so I'm thinking I'm going the right way here. I've got sin a sin b over cos a cos b. Well, I know from National 5 sin over cos is tan, or sine of an angle over cos of the same angle is tan of that angle. So that's very, very encouraging. So cos a divided by cos a is 1. Cos b divided by cos b is 1. So that part is just 1, which is what we've got. And sine a over the cosine of a is just the tangent of angle A, multiplied by sine b over cos b, the sine of b divided by the cos of b, which is just the tan of angle B. So there we have it. We have done it in 1, 2, 3 lines. Again, if at the very start I was thinking, I need to get from that to that, what on earth am I meant to do for there? Too hard, miss it out. That's not the right way to think about these guys. The right way to think about them is, what can I do? If I'm not sure, what can I do? The only thing we can do there is expand that. And then from there, split it into two different fractions. Simplify, use our National 5 trig identity that we need to know, we need to remember that. Sin a over cos a equals tan a is not on the formula sheet at higher. And we end up with the final answer there. So question 3 here, I've got another tricky looking one. I'm going to do that in a separate video.